Candon National High School. You are watching this amazing publication where smart saving meets success. Did you know that for working students, mastering financial literacy and smart savings isn't just about making ends meet, but about building a powerful foundation for future success and financial independence? Today, I am with Precious Mara Abaya, a working student from Candon National High School. Hi, Miss Precious Mara Abaya. What do you usually do with the money you earn from selling your products?
Ang ginagawa ko sa perang iyon ay iniipon ko at kinukuha ko yung aking income at aking personal use. Hinihiwalay ko yung income ko at saka personal use ko para hindi magkaka-conflict yung mga gastos at mga ipon ko.
Now, as a working student, what is the importance of saving money?
As a working student, ang importance ng saving money ay may mahuhugot ka for emergency lalo na kung kailangan mo sa financials, sa school or kaya sa mga iba pang emergencies. Katulad ng kapag nawalan ka ng mga baon, tapos kapag may mga babayaran ka sa schools.
That wraps up our interview. Again, this is this amazing publication, bringing you insights for brighter financial future. You can catch us on Facebook, YouTube, TikTok. Thank you and have a nice day.